Good afternoon, everyone. Hey, we meet again. My name is Kegan Nufariza Adrian. I am the crew member of the Royal Caribbean cruise ship Mariner of the Sea, and my position is galley steward. I am in the deck 3 as a day cleaner. So before, I already told you about my job as a day cleaner, and also I already told you about the dishwash. And today maybe I want to talk about we talk about the daily activity in the ship. So let me talk about the first day I woke up. Usually I wake up at 7. No. Maybe earlier than that. I am in the morning shift. So I usually woke up at 5 or 6, and I do some shower, and I take some breakfast. But we have a crew mess there, and a lot of food, and we can take it for free. It's like a buffet, and we can take it all as we wish, as you want. And my schedule daily routine is when we go back in the morning, we go on duty about 7 o'clock, 7 in the morning, and until about 9 or 9:30 we go break about 30 minutes. After that we go back again at 9:30 or 10 maybe. Depends on how crowded or how busy the kitchen or the dining room was. So after we go break about 30 minutes, we go back at 9:30, and we go on duty again until 12. And after we go break, we usually set up for the lunch. And first time I came the morning shift, the duty is for set up all the buffet for the breakfast, set up all the plates, all the hotline. I am working on the hotline. So first thing first, we move all the plates to the hotline. We make it hot. We have a hot warmer. I already told you before. Hot warmer is for the warm. We make the plates warm, so make the food warm also. And after we set up the plates, we set up all the covers for the plates. So if food come in and place it in the plate, so we have to take it to cover and transfer it into the dining room, so the guests can make sure all the food is warm or maybe hot, because if it's cold, it's not good enough. And we have some of the danger zone. Later we talk about the danger zone, about the food at the hot and the cold area. So after we've set up for the lunch, I take a long break about 6 hours for 11 or maybe 12 until 5 in the evening, 5 p.m. and I go back again for set up for the dinner. So for the dinner is the same as the breakfast, but the difference is the dinner is there are plenty of kind of dishes that we choose. Like we have 3 kind of dishes: 3 appetizer, a main course, and dessert. And the first time we have is the appetizer come first. After that we have the main dish. After the main dish, and the last one is the dessert. Sometimes with the cake, maybe sometimes with the ice cream. Depends on what guests usually want. So after finish all the dinner, we took all the dirty plates come to the dishwash area, and after that we usually set up for the breakfast for the day tomorrow after. So after we set up for breakfast for tomorrow, especially like if we have something like USPS to make sure all the clean plates are arranged, and dirty plates come to the dishwash all around maybe. And yeah, that's all of my schedule. Then for all, we have to, so we make the conclusion of it. The first time we have the morning shift, especially for me. I know it for my morning shift. We came at 7. We have to set up all the breakfast plates, cutleries, maybe the hotline, maybe need some of the covers. And after that, we have set up for the lunch, and yeah, the same as the breakfast. And the last one is we have to set up for the dinner also. That's the kind of job we have in the on the day cleaner. So that's all for me, and thanks for watching. And yeah, if you want,
this how you answer?
Oh no. Then you enter like
Right here?
right here, yeah. So yeah, sorry, there's some of guests asking for the direction. So it's enough for me. Thanks for watching. If you want to be like me, oh yeah, I forget to say, I am the student of World First Academy. I am the student of Mr. Luke Yoga and Mr. Nanang. If you want to be like me, if you want to be going to the ship, going around. Oh yeah, I forget to tell also, I am in the cruise of Cozumel, Mexico. You can see this one in the terminal. I am looking for a Wi-Fi here. So yeah, I am in the middle of Mexico, in the island called Cozumel, Mexico. So yeah, if you want to be like me, you want to go around the world and see the bigger picture of the world, and you can call Mr. Yoga and Mr. Nanang, and they will tell you how to be like me, how to be a cruise ship of the Royal Caribbean Ltd. Yeah, that's all for me. Thanks you for watching. See ya.